Ever wondered why the humble egg is often hailed as a superfood? What makes it so special? Let's dive into the exciting world of eggs and their astonishing health benefits if you eat 3 eggs every day. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. They contain vital nutrients like choline, lutein, and vitamin D that are essential for our overall health. Now, there's a common misconception that eggs are bad for heart health. However, ample scientific studies suggest that moderate egg consumption can actually improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Eggs are also a wonderful aid in weight loss efforts. The protein and fat content in eggs can help control appetite, reduce calorie intake throughout the day, and promote satiety. So, incorporating eggs into meals can be a nutritious and satisfying option for weight management. Moreover, nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin found in eggs play a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision. These antioxidants protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, helping you maintain good eye health. Finally, the protein in eggs is incredibly important for muscle growth, repair, and maintenance. Consuming protein-rich foods like eggs before or after exercise can support muscle recovery and promote muscle health. To sum up, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, beneficial for heart health, weight management, eye health, and muscle growth. So why not include them in your diet and experience their amazing benefits? Go ahead, experiment with egg recipes, and don't forget to share your favorites in the comments. As always, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and informative content. Until next time, enjoy the incredible health benefits of eggs, and take care of your health.